I have a presentation and I have to talk about enterprise risk management. I want us to create together. We'll be talking about AI and how AI can enhance work, how we use it to make our work easier. So I want us to create a presentation from scratch using AI tools. Come along as we discuss and as I walk through. I'm so excited to show you this, by the way. Let's go. I'll be using ChatGPT. What I want to do is I want to create my prompt. I tell people this. For you to be a good presenter, it has to be you. You have to own it. If you want to prompt your AI, first you have to define who you are and what you want it to do. And then I'm going to do a presentation as regards enterprise risk management. I'll be talking to people that are newly getting to know what risk management is about. Just something very simple. I have to tell you what I want. I start with who I am so that it doesn't give me something vague. I am a seasoned professional in credit risk management. What am I saying they should do for me? What I get is who I am. This is what I do. This is what I think I like to say. When you put what yours is, this is what I want you to do for me. You also want to adopt a professionalism. You should be professional confident. This is your prompt. You need a prompt. What you're doing is you're going to go through it. I usually like to copy it. What this has done is to give me a basic of what I say, what I keep. It's okay, but I'm not saying what I want to say. I'm going to go back to my prompt. It's basic. So yeah, this is okay. Makes sense. Great. I like it. That's good. And I tell it to copy everything. What I want it to do for me on this specialty to valid. I've read through what I copy is to check on the use of it. It doesn't really change what you have. It just makes it a bit more. It takes away the AI bit. Don't copy it and I go with this is not a heads for that. I'm gonna save it. Now I want to put it as a presentation slides. I have 3 different AI I use. Sometimes I use Canva. AI, slide AI. This slide is voice paid, and then sometimes I use Canva. Canvas I have time because on Canvas I have to design the slide myself from start to finish. So if I have time, I use Canvas. If I don't have time, I want to just click it to use Gamma. I don't think I've before because let's use Gamma. What do you want? Go to upload here, upload the file. Yeah. What do you want here on the presentation? I click on continue. Medium. I want images. And then for format, I want it as a presentation. I want the text to be a bit, just shorten to be concise and presentable, right? And I want the text to be video text image automatic, so it can't message. So if you want up to grade to procedure it on the cards, I don't know, send exactly like this. What kind of shape do you want? I usually like professional. I really like my slides to be heavy on color. You can pick any color you want based on the kind of theme you want to do. This is what it look like. This is blue. So this is okay. I just click on generate. It's generated for you. It's positive. See how simple it is. But just choose. So you have this such a slide. Remember, by helping you to generate it, it doesn't mean that you will not read it. So it doesn't mean that you don't go through the right thing. This is too dark. Should I adjust how I dark them? But let it blank and give me the slide. This is it. That's what PowerPoint. The presentation. PowerPoint works best. I'm exporting as PowerPoint. I am done. I don't have to be looking for images or whatever. It's ready. You see how fast I've been able to do my presentations. Thank you.